So I am using OpenAI Codex here, and I just did a single prompt here, create a platform which will use I'm using the 5.2 Codex Hive, and in the single prompt I got this whole site. I'm creating a platform that will be like a social media platform, but it will have an option hype or real. So based on that, it will give us what actually is hype and what actually is real. So this whole site is created using AI. I didn't mention about how the design should be. I just mentioned it should be more convincing to the users to use it. And you can see it has included the examples, the tags, examples about the hype and the realism. So yeah, I just have to add my environment variables for the Google. This whole platform will collect the data from internet to check the latest news happenings in the world.